Good morning everybody, it is Disney day 4 and I have got a massive rash on my forehead, so I'm really sorry about that. It looks disgusting, but I don't really know what's going on with it. It's just kind of come out of nowhere. But yeah, it's Disney day 4. We have just finished kind of packing and getting our stuff together, and our bus is in like 20-ish minutes, so we've got a little bit of time before we have to leave. Holly's just brushing her teeth, and that's basically it. So I will catch you guys up when we're at the park for our final day of Disney fun. So we are now in the park. Originally we were going to go to Cafe Fantasia for breakfast, but it doesn't open for another like 45 minutes or so. So we're going to go on Space Mountain, which I'm really scared about, but I'll love it. But like, I'm just a bit nervy now. And then we're going to go and get some food after, which kind of makes a bit more sense anyway, because I don't really want to eat and then go on Space Mountain, you know what I mean? So that is basically the plan. We're just walking through Main Street now, and it's really busy today. Obviously it's half term, so there's people everywhere. But it is a really nice day there. The sun is shining. A little bit cold, but the sun's shining, which is a good time. So
it's lovely.
Yeah.
It's not even that cold today compared to yesterday.
No, it's not.
Yesterday was like really chilly.
Yeah, like my hands are a little bit cold, but I'm not actually that bad. I mean, I have got my coat on today, but yeah, so the sun is lovely.
Clear blue skies as well.
Exactly, like you're probably not going to be able to see it. Probably not, no, not at all. But the castle just looks unreal.
Clear blue skies today. It's actually beautiful.
So we've just spotted Tigger, just like walking through, having a good old time. Where's he going then? Oh, there's Eeyore! Oh my god, there's Eeyore as well. Stop it. Oh, they're probably just going to go and do a little meet and greet by,
Oh, it's Mickey!
Hi! Mickey Mouse is just walking through as if. Now it looks like we're following, but we're not. Off for some breakfast. That's where they're going.
Okay,
are we doing it now?
Euro. I've got €2 in my pocket. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay, what should we do this time? Tongues?
We were going to go on Space Mountain, but there was a technical fault with it, so we didn't go on it because we were waiting for ages, and we decided to come on Star Wars instead. So we've done that, and the Star Wars that we went and watched, like the simulator thing, was from the new film, which was cool. So we watched that, and now we just had like a little photo shoot in the little box thingy, and now we're going to go on to Space Mountain, as long as there's not like an absolute mammoth of a queue, because we haven't eaten yet, and it's like 11:30, something like that. It's ridiculous, because we decided to come on Star Wars instead, basically. I hope that makes sense. I feel like I've just been like talking for ages and like, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's what we're doing. So we're going to go on to Space Mountain and then get some food. And these are the photos that just come out as well, which look really cute. Really. How adorable. Love it. So we are queuing for Space Mountain, and it's just ridiculous. Like everybody is going on this ride now, because I think it's just opened maybe, but we're all kind of like walking straight in, which is quite nice. So I don't think the queue is going to be as big as we think, but yeah, it's just ridiculous. You can see all the people walking past like in the queue. It's mad, but I'm excited. I am scared, but I'm excited at the same time. Are you excited? Yes. So we've just come off Space Mountain, and that was really fun actually. I always get myself like really scared for no reason, and then I go on it and I'm like, that was amazing. So we've done that. Holly traded 2 pins, so she's done that, which is very fun. But now we're going to go to the Cafe Fantasia and go and have some Mickey waffles, which is very exciting, because it is like 12:30 or something. So it is quite late, and we do need to have some food before we go to the airport at like 4, so but it'll be fine, we'll figure it out, we'll have something later. So we've changed our mind, we're not going to go to Cafe Fantasia anymore because they don't have waffles, and it's just a bit much, isn't it?
Like
and also
£16 for a sandwich.
And also we haven't had lunch, we should probably have something a bit more substantial, but I just met Mrs. Hinch, and I can't go over it, sorry.
I was just having a chat, like I don't really know who she is, so I was just like,
she just, I don't even know how to describe her. She's an Instagrammer, but she cleans.
Yeah, I know
She's
that.
unreal. She's the nicest
I know
person I've
who
ever
she
met in my
is.
life.
I've heard of her. I just didn't know what she looked like.
Oh, but now you do, and she's unreal. Anyway, we're in the shop now, so I'm gonna go. So I feel like my last clip was a bit like jumbled because I was still a bit starstruck, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna go to Five Guys potentially now to get some food. Because yeah, the Cafe Fantasia is nice, but it's just a bit like posh restaurant.
Yeah.
It's just a bit much, so we're not feeling that. So we're gonna go possibly to Five Guys. We're gonna see like what the menu's like, if it's similar to back home. And then go from there. That sun is making my camera go white. I do apologise now, the lighting is just gonna be awful, but it's fine. Are you excited for lunch? Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck! Yeah, so we're in Five Guys. I got an Oreo milkshake, which I'm really excited about. A small burger, which is actually really big. And a small chips, which is ridiculously huge. What did you get?
Grilled cheese, small chips. This is small chips.
Like, ridiculous.
Strawberry milkshake.
Yummy! Is it good? You enjoying it?
Yes.
Lovely. We are hungry, we've not eaten yet, so I'm gonna dig in. So we are now finished at Five Guys. I'd probably score it like a 6.5 out of 10. I'm still not really like keen on it. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like it's just like an overpriced McDonald's.
Yeah.
The milkshake would have been unreal if it had a proper straw, because this, my straw went mushy, or like a metal straw. I don't know. Do you know what I mean? I just wasn't very prepared for it. And the burger was nice. Was yours good? Did you enjoy yours? You like the grilled cheese, don't you? So I feel like yours is a little bit different, you know?
The milkshake was nice.
Apart from the strawberry chunks.
Yeah, strawberry chunks are a bit of an issue. Yeah.
But no, it was good. I enjoyed the experience. It was something different, which was nice. I've got hiccups here now. Enjoyed the experience. Anyway, we are now going to go into the Studios Park just to see what the wait time is on Crash, because like it is my absolute fave and I would like to go on it one more time, but if the queue's obviously too long then we won't. Worst case we could do single rider or something. Okay, thank you. So we have literally just walked in the studios and they've boarded up loads of it and I'm not really sure like what's going on. It's a bit bizarre. I mean it's our last day so it's not really much of an issue. I don't know whether it's, I don't really know, maybe it's the trees, I don't really know what's going on. Could be because of the weather, don't know, not sure. Yeah, weird. Doesn't look like Tigger, does it? Do you know what I mean?
D'ailleurs, l'artiste must sign his masterpiece. So put your name. I'm gonna add Walt Disney Studios, but it's already marked on your papers. Je rajoute Walt Disney Studio, mais ça c'est déjà écrit sur mon feuille.
So we've just finished the art of animation and obviously as you can see by my drawing it wasn't the best time. Holly's was good, I filmed a bit of yours and yours was looking really good. Mine was just a bit squashed, but it's alright. Our Stitch meet is in about an hour, so hopefully we're going to make it now. We didn't think we were going to make it before, but we think we're going to make it hopefully, so that'll be fun. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing, so just thought I'd catch you guys up. Holly's having a great time. Sorting our bag.
In my bag.
Okay, so our Stitch meet is in an hour and 2 minutes and it's currently 2:05, so we're going to leave the Studios Park now and we're going to head over to the main park to go and probably do Pirates if we can, if the queue's not like massively long, and then go and meet Phantom Stitch, which is exciting. Are you excited for Phantom Stitch?
Yeah, but I'm not getting too excited just in case we don't get to meet him, just in case like something goes wrong, whatever.
So we're basically going to go now, so this is the last you're going to see of the Studios Park. So there's the hat, there's my face, there's Holly's face.
Oh yeah.
And we're going. So we are now in the main park. We're just walking past the castle, yeah. And we're going to go and see what the wait time is like on Pirates because we've not done it yet. And it's like one of our faves. I don't know why we've not done it
I
yet.
know, it's literally like in my top 5. Love
Yeah, me too. Love that one. So we're now in the Pirates of the Caribbean queue and it's absolutely heaving, isn't it? Like we've only ever really walked onto this ride, so it's going to be fun. But it's quite a constant moving one, so I think it'll be fine. Lovely. We've just come off Pirates of the Caribbean, which is really good because it was our last ride of the holiday, and now we're going over to Phantom Manor to see if we can go and meet Phantom Stitch real quick. Hopefully the queue's not too long because we do need to like leave in like 25 minutes, so 15, brilliant. So hopefully the queue's not massive, but we'll see what it's like when we get there. And worst case scenario, we can't meet him, but you know, it would be nice, but we'll see what happens. Sorry. It's okay. Okay, ready, Stitch. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Okay. You can close it. Yeah, lovely. See that twice. I'll see you next day. See you later. So we finished meeting Stitch and now we're on an absolute mission. Our train is in 13 minutes and we ended our trip with Pirates and Stitch, which was great. Two of our faves. So I hope you've enjoyed the last day of Disney and we will see you very soon. Bye!